Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Miss Farhanda from SSC Girls. With a prayer to Allah for your sound health and happiness, let's start our unit number 3. And the topic is media and its impact. You all are quite familiar with the word media, using your TV, internet, reading newspaper, getting information. Media word actually is a plural of word medium, and it is when we discuss, it is a channel, a system of communication, information, and entertainment, and that information, communication, and entertainment is conveyed to us through some publication or broadcasting. So we can say there are two main means of media, modes of communication. One is electronic media, and you can have the picture that there are screens print, but it is through electronic media that the news will be passed to you. And the second one is, first one electronic media, and second one it's a piece of newspaper that is called print media. We will discuss it later on. Let's begin our chapter. And before starting our reading, let me tell you, when you read a lesson, not only concentrate on finding the answers of the question, underline difficult words for their synonyms or antonyms, for their spellings, and also underline different punctuation marks, because 3 marks is compulsory question is in your paper related to your punctuation marks. This unit is in the form of a dialogue, and dialogue is also in your paper. How to write a dialogue? Look at this. Dialogue, first the right who is delivering it, who is saying it, like teacher, like students. Student, it's a participation in any of the discussion. Different people speak, and name of these people are written, like here it's only mentions teacher and student, and after this there is a sign, that is colon, sign of colon. This is written in a dialogue, and this is the way of writing a dialogue. Now let's begin a chapter. Miss Aisha is the favorite teacher of class 9. The students eagerly attend her class. Then is a situation before the dialogue, that Miss Aisha enters the classroom with her usual smile, greets the students, and takes the roll call. Remember, students, that before writing a dialogue, you can also write the situation, and write the situation always in your present tense. It is their tutorial period. Tutorial is a period, tutorial day, or it's a period, it's a discussion under some head, some tutor, and it is actually a paper, a book, a film, a computer program that gives some practical information, maybe not with your text, not from your texture material, but what is in your related to your life. So relate it with your CCA period, where you have different types of activities. Now this class is going to have some discussion. The students are all geared up. Geared up means get ready. And you know, because the topic is is already announced, so students are very eager to tell what they have learned, what they already know. They know what is about to come, and they are prepared for it. Shall we start? She asked politely. She is for teacher, and this is the reporting speech. That it is the narration in the direct form. Shall we start? What the teachers ask is in inverted commas. So it's not in that form of a dialogue, but with the reporting clause also. And the student nod means give the head movement. They are agreed, says yes. So as the teacher says, because she wants to introduce, okay, we have decided earlier the topic of today's discussion is the role of media and its impact. Role of media and its impact. Impact means effect on our lives. Where the effect on our lives. To start with, let me state clearly that media is the most powerful mode of communication. Mode of communication. Communication means passing of messages, conveying of messages. How is media the most powerful mode of communication? Because it shares news and information with the people. It's most powerful because people from all over the world, it's not just from your surroundings. Sometimes media spreads false news when it works dishonestly, but generally it informs us about the facts around us. Do you agree? Now the teacher has started the discussion. Students, yes, we do. Student number one, I would like to add a bit more to it. Yes, sure. Student number one, media helps people to share knowledge of the world. Again, look at the world, not only on your country, not just surroundings. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. There means the peoples from all over the world, feelings are expressed through it. What they think about different things, what they do about different, perform different, it is conveyed to us. Media attracts the attention of a large audience, one who listens. Have you noticed that the first thing we do soon after entering the house is switch on the television? Maybe it's not the routine of everybody, but this student may have this routine, and just to show the importance of the role of media in our life. First thing do that how much important it is. Teacher, there is no doubt about it. Page number 23. Student number 2. Let me say that media has become a part of our life. Part of life means very much important in our life. It not only informs us but also entertains us. So the student number 2 has added one more thing, that it not only gives information, news, but also entertains us. And you know, entertainment through dramas, movies, singing, and sports, everything. Teacher, absolutely right. Well, do you have any idea about the two major means of communication? Student number 3, there are two means of communication, like this electronic media and print media, which we have already discussed. What is electronic media and what is print media? Electronic media means films, radio, television, and internet. Electronic media. And print media includes books, magazines, and newspapers. Media, it is for media, it provides us information as well as entertainment, as the student number 2 has added. Teacher, good. And look at the sign of exclamation, that is the expression, sudden feeling of the teacher. He or she is appreciating. It's through media that the world has become a global village. Global village. Global village means, have you seen the globe? On a globe, the map of all the world is drawn. And through that map, the countries of whole of the world has become closer. You can see global village. So like a globe, how the countries are closer together on a small piece of round piece, you can see the whole of the world. Same is the case nowadays, that you can get the information, you can talk to a person from whole of the world within a very short period of time. So, and then there is I want to discuss one more thing, that is that it's. It is it with an apostrophe s. That means it is. Remember, when apostrophe s is used with the pronoun, it means it is contracted form of that pronoun, that thing, that is it is. If it is this s is used without comma, that shows its possession. It's, uska. Here it is used as it is. There is coverage of all the important events of the world on television. We can have an easy access to all kinds of information through media. Easy access, approach within our limits, within our approach. That doesn't mean we have to walk from or talk to walk from place to place or talk to different person to get the information through one medium. That when you switch on television, you get the information from whole of the world. Student number 4, can we say that world is just a click away? Just a click away. Yes. Why? Click away means just press a button and get the information. Pressing a button, you can talk to person sitting thousands of away from you. You can get the information from other corner of the world. Just press a button. Teacher, maybe well, would any other student like to say something on it? And then she points out to the student sitting at the end. Student number 5, Madam, in my opinion, media plays a very constructive role for the society. Constructive role means a positive role, building role for the society. It raises how? It raises awareness about many social issues. Social issues mean the problems in the society, and they are corruption, means dishonestly or illegal way of doing something or getting something. Then is terrorism, creating fear, threat. Then is drug addiction, another harm to the society, taking of drugs. And violation of human rights. What does violation of human rights mean? When people are not given their due rights in a society, when people are oppressed, they are terrorized, that is violation of human rights. Teacher, yes, you are right. Number 6, media has become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Mouthpiece and downtrodden, two words. Mouthpiece means a spokesperson, one who expresses others' views. The mouthpiece, from his piece, other views are expressed. Mouth, other views are expressed. A spokesperson, a spokesman, and of the downtrodden, the poor class, the oppressed class, the pressurized class, the sufferers of the society. So it's not that if human violation of human rights is there, no one speaks about the poor. It also how it has become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Teacher, yes, well said. It would be not wrong to say that media is the most vigilant institution. Vigilant, the most active, keeps an eye on every segment of the society. It's not some special people who is addressed by this media. Every segment of the society, especially where something wrong is going on, media keeps an eye, media checks it, and then through debates, discussions, reports, and talk shows. You all know what are talk shows. It makes everyone answerable. It makes everyone answerable and accountable. Answerable and accountable. What does it mean? Answerable and accountable. That means one who is responsible for some doing. Through these debates, through the discussions, especially to talk shows, everyone is made responsible what he is doing, right or wrong. An answerable is a person one when one is doing some wrong. That is why media has become an integral part of our life, an important part of our life. I would invite one of you to sum up the discussion. Student number one, I would conclude the discussion by saying that media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. In the beginning of the chapter, we have read that it can spread false news. So, if it works honestly, and that is the main work of media, if it works honestly, it can have a, a positive and corrective impact on society. Uh, its role is to make the society better one by telling the people, by making the people answerable and accountable. Good conclusion. I'm happy that all of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourself very well. And that is the aim of the tutorial day, tutorial period. Then the situation, the bell rings, Miss Aisha says goodbye to the class and leaves. Theme of the lesson of the unit is to highlight the role and impact of media. It tells that media can mold the opinion and mindset of the people. What change the thinking of the people by telling them what is right, what is wrong. It has a deep impact on the lives of people. Media has turned the world into a global village, and we have already discussed what it is. Allah Hafiz. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the question answers and relevant exercises in this chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.